This is Dr. Kiran Coelho. I'm a consultant gynecologist at Lilavati Hospital and Research Center. Now, we are well into the 5th month of the pandemic, global pandemic of coronavirus, and the evolving nature of the disease leaves us with a lot of uncertainty. My pregnant patients and pregnant patients the world over are very nervous about being pregnant during this time. And also they have a lot of queries. So today I thought I'd answer some of the queries that pregnant patients have today. One is, does pregnancy put me at a higher risk for COVID-19? Pregnant women have altered immune systems, and the impact of coronavirus on them is still evolving. Most pregnant women will experience only mild or moderate flu-like symptoms like cough, fever, shortness of breath, headache and loss of sense of smell. More severe symptoms such as pneumonia are likely to be more common in older pregnant women and those with comorbidities like diabetes, high blood pressure, lung or any other heart disease. At the moment, it doesn't seem as if pregnant women are more likely to be seriously unwell as compared to healthy adults. But however, you should take every precaution to protect yourself and report any possible symptoms to your doctor immediately. The next question is, how can I protect myself against COVID-19? Pregnant women should follow the same rules as everyone else. Stay at home as much as possible unless there's a medical emergency. Keep in touch with your doctor over the phone or online, or like in hospitals like Lilavati Hospital, every single precaution is taken to make pregnant women safe. So you can definitely visit your doctor at any time. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water for 20 seconds and use a hand sanitizer. Wear a mask and avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth with hands. Follow aggressive social distancing and forget 1 arm's distance. Keep at least 6 feet away from others when you're out in public. Practice respiratory hygiene by covering your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze, and dispose of tissues immediately. Another question is, should pregnant women be tested for COVID-19? The government guidelines recommend that pregnant women living in cluster or containment areas or in large migration gatherings in hotspot districts should have a COVID-19 test. Also, at least 5 days before the due date of delivery, a COVID-19 test should be done. Now, we have at Lilavati Hospital very efficient testing and even home testing, antibody tests. So all you have to do is call up the hospital and arrangements will be made immediately. Another question is, if I'm infected, will my baby catch it? Yes, it's possible for a woman to transmit the infection to her baby during pregnancy or birth. But it's important to know that in all the reported cases, the baby was well. And there's no evidence of COVID-19 causing fetal abnormalities as yet. That's very important to note. However, women across countries have shown that there's a greater risk for preterm labor. Now, what is the treatment for COVID-19 infection? For mild infections, patients can self-isolate at home until they get better and your doctor tells you that it's safe to go back to your normal activities. If your condition worsens and you have difficulty in breathing, you might need to stay in the hospital, possibly in the intensive care unit and most likely in an isolation room. You may need oxygen support to help you breathe easily, and in the worst case, you may be put on a ventilator. Another question that's asked is, can my baby be infected from breast milk? While the virus has not been found in breast milk, the baby could get infected through contact with coronavirus positive caregiver. And therefore, since the breast milk is the best source of nutrition and boosts immunity, one should always breastfeed. What about visiting doctors during the lockdown? Now, hospitals, especially Lilavati Hospital, has made the environment very, very safe for pregnant patients to visit their doctors. In fact, every possible effort is made to minimize the spread of the coronavirus infection to the patients. So definitely visit your doctor. Schedule your sonographies, which are usually done at 12 to 13 weeks and 18 to 22 weeks and later at 28 weeks and 36 weeks. Schedule these doses with your visit to the gynecologist as well as your tetanus injections at the same time. Now, will the mode of delivery change for COVID-19 patients? Not at all. As we go by WHO regulations, and that is only obstetric indications. So you can have a normal delivery, not necessarily an elective cesarean section. So can I touch my baby and newborn baby if I have COVID-19 is another question. And yes, close contact with the mother and early breastfeeding definitely helps the baby to thrive and gives the baby antibodies to fight against infection. But be careful to wash your hands and keep all surfaces clean and wear a mask when breastfeeding. So these are the common questions, but I must reassure you that Lilavati Hospital, being one of the foremost maternity hospitals in the city, has taken every single precaution to make sure that the pregnant women, their delivery and their newborns are safe. Thank you.